Hey guys, Chuckpopovich, Chris Clay here at Bricks to Clicks. Pallet number 3 of the food shipment. Spent $1,000 on 4 pallets. This is number 3. About 50-50 on what's in date and out of date.
Expired and not expired.
In stock, out of stock, whatever you want to call it. But this is our 3rd pallet to go through, see what food's good. And again, this shipment was for non-profit organization, help out schools, churches, homeless shelters and stuff like that. So something completely different than we've ever done. We've never bought a food shipment before in our life. So this is a learning experience for us and also something cool to help out other individuals. So here we go, we're gonna bust this open, see what we got. I already see dog food, a dog crate, which is kind of weird to have on it. And we'll see what we can get Chris to eat some more expired food. So far, he's been a champ at it, except he did not try the mystery gravy. If you want to see the mystery gravy, check out the other videos. Like it, subscribe, follow, turn on notifications, all that stuff. Whatever my daughter says, I have no freaking idea what that girl says. She goes so quick when she says it too.
Hopefully that's new. It looks like it's open, but if it's complete, we can still probably make some decent money on that.
Yeah, we'll do that. Oh, show. Alright, Wolfgang Puck Organic Hearty Lentil Vegetable. Canned food so far, I think I've only found one canned food that hasn't been in date. So a lot of good canned food for these guys. I mean, just a ton of canned food in here. Progresso, Italian style wedding.
You got some marshmallows, we could start a fire and
Could.
actually these are the small ones. Maybe have you make me some cocoa and we can put it
There
in.
it is. There it is.
Put it in cocoa.
Pop-Tarts, those are in stock. I said in stock again. I'm giving up on my challenge to myself.
Yeah. I
We
think you lasted maybe a full 3 minutes.
a little bit. Betty Crockett, Betty Crocker.
Bro,
I know, I'm out of it today.
you cannot
I'm out
talk.
of it. More Pop-Tarts.
Oh, we got some seasoning, man.
These ones just expired.
Some seasoning. I
I'm
know
a-
you like to grill.
I'm a cooking fool, man. Cooking fool.
Best Buy August 26, 2016. So what is Best Buy? Like,
That's how it started losing its flavor after that, I bet.
I bet you it doesn't though.
Triple chocolate fudge. These are in date.
Would you be interested in any of these?
I am not. I'm
Garlic
not.
and herb, garlic pepper,
I do love my garlic.
Caribbean jerk. That actually
Progresso, Wolfgang Puck, all in stock. I'm just gonna keep saying it. They know
Yeah.
what I mean. They know what I mean at this point.
I'm just gonna keep laughing.
Smart miso, light miso. It's in date. It's good. Doesn't expire for a couple months, so that's good stuff. Some cat toy. Don't really. Not even looking at that. Some oranges. They are in date. Good until 2020. In date.
I was waiting for you. Aren't you glad I didn't say in stock? No,
Aren't you?
you're not.
Orange you, not aren't you. Orange you. Orange you glad I didn't say in stock. We'll be back. Hey guys, we're back. Had someone come buy some stuff from us. So, getting back into the food shipment, Pop-Tarts in date. Good stuff so far. No complaints on this. Some noodles. Expires next year. Some muffins. I don't even see a date on this. Huh. I'm assuming if you don't, oh, there it is. Those are out of date. Velveeta cheesy potatoes and Annie's graham crackers. Out of date. Out of date. But
Got
barely.
graham crackers to go with the marshmallows. Now all we need is some Hershey's chocolate, and we'll have some sugar.
We have Kit Kats we could use.
I'm not eating those Kit Kats again.
I didn't think the Kit Kats were that bad. Cheese, celebration of food.
Too bad this candy's expired with Halloween coming up. You could give it out.
I could still give it out. No, kids won't ever know. No, I'm not that guy. I'm not that guy. I don't even give out candy, actually, because I'm walking with my girls. But if you wanna sit at my house and give out candy,
No, not
you're
at all.
probably not gonna get a lot of people with me being in the country.
No, I'm good.
Hostess
So good,
cupcakes. These are
Expired. Got some Tide, didn't you say you used Tide?
yeah, I use Tide.
There you go.
Cinnamon or pineapple chunks.
A pallet that keeps giving to us.
Dang it.
What'd you just do?
Drop these crackers.
Dropped a cracker?
Yeah. Absolutely. Alright, another box empty. Here's sushi roll kit. You eat that?
No. One, I don't really like
Sushi rolls.
The fact that it's there is even disturbing.
And it might be good. You should give it a try.
No, I should not.
You might like it.
Looks like you got somebody else here.
Man, it's a popular day today at the warehouse.
People's just showing up.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. I'll leave you and I'll go get this.
I don't know what that means.
You just keep talking to the camera.
Some more Gain detergent. This stuff is too expensive for us to ship, so we'll just end up putting it in the auction and see if we can get a couple bucks off of it.
Alright, we're back again for the third time. But you know, once I figure out this video editing, you won't even notice it. Non-chips? What do you think that means, non-chips? Just a name?
Yeah.
Non. Sea salt.
Organic low-fat milk.
Try it.
No.
It might be
About
good.
Any of those 3 words sound.
That's my
It's got
challenge.
vitamin A and
D?
mm-hmm.
D's. I'm gonna say it, because kids may be watching.
Wow, this is a year old. 2018.
You should try it.
No, I should not.
Might be good.
It all sounds bad. Actually, you know what? I'm just gonna leave it right in there because it's all the same stuff.
Quaker Oats. Man, that's a big container. Man, this is in date. It's in date.
Not expired.
I caught myself.
Why not?
Can't catch what can't be seen. Expires in January. Some super moist Betty Crocker stuff, some canned food.
Say moist.
I did. We got some coffee. Just expired. Some almond milk. How do you milk an almond? Like curious minds want to know.
You don't milk almonds, ass.
I think you milk an almond. How else do they get almond milk? Do you have cashew milk? Is that a possibility?
It's probably milk with flavor added to it to taste like almond.
To what? Almond juice?
Oh, let's just not talk about it.
Like this is just weird.
All this cereal's expired too.
The cereal that's September, I just been adding it because I think that's in stock.
What's that?
Cereal that is good through September.
These are like May.
Hormel chili, so cool stuff. Got a lot of cereal. A lot of it is good through September, October, November. So that I would say is in date.
Is this cat food? Looks like cat food.
2021 for Rotini.
Rachel Ray. Cat food.
That's a good little box there. A lot of cereal in that one. For sure. Oh, that's
Mini wheats.
That's what it's called.
Mini wheats.
We just figured it out.
We struggled with that a little bit earlier.
A little bit. Just a
Calling
little
the
bit.
dang things wheat thins.
Club crackers. What's up? I don't see a date. Best Buy, March 2019. So, out of date. 20 grand. Out of date.
So it always seems to be like the consistent theme is box product is out of date, canned product is out of date. I mean, there's a few anomalies where the stuff is actually.
You ever, when you were in retail, I remember going in to fix stores and you find some out of date stuff that like medicine or something. It was like 8 years old or something, like crazy stuff.
Or when you would find tags behind tags that were like 6 years old.
Oh, stuff that just irritate you. Stuff that irritate you. Fruit snacks, juicy fruit. This stuff is expired. This stuff is not any good. That is a negatory.
Suzy Q's!
Man, I love Suzy Q's. It's
I
one of
know.
my favorite. They're
You
gonna
want to try it?
No, they're gonna be expired.
It's 2018.
Nah.
You sure?
I can't gamble the way you gamble.
Why? What's the difference between me and you?
You got a bigger body than me. It doesn't take much for me to fall apart.
Come on.
Chips, corn chips, expired.
You don't want one? Just one?
No, look at that nasty thing.
You don't want to try it?
No way. Nutter butter.
I'll try it for you. Tell you how it tastes.
March. He's gonna pass out here shortly.
It's not bad.
Mango.
It's not good.
It's not bad, but it's not good. I wouldn't eat it. Cheese.
The Twinkie you ever did was a lot better.
A lot
Very
of
dry.
cheese chili.
Oh, is that salsa?
Yeah, but it's mango.
Yeah.
I don't know how good mango would be. So I'm just gonna put all of this stuff over here. 100% peanut butter. Creamy peanut butter. Just expired. Chewy granola bars.
Those all seem to be expired. That kinda
Just
stinks.
expired.
Those would be good. Got some chicken stovetop. Oh!
Propel water. Are you done with this Propel water?
No, I'll take all of it if you don't care. I mean, it's water. It's not like it can really. I
I'll put
do
that-
notice it's all the same flavor.
I'll put that on your headstone. It was just water.
It was just water. October 2019. Those are expired.
Cheez-Its Duos. Bacon and cheddar.
That kind of. I've never had that kind before.
Yes, it's expired.
I feel like we should test that one.
Chicken wild rice, pineapple slices.
I'm kind of hungry.
Progresso. Okay. Keep eating those,
I mean, hungry for real food, not stuff that's
Oh yeah, tons of real food here.
11/29/2019. All
Italian
these
sauce.
little sweet. What is this? Miso? 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 Miso?
Miso hungry.
Oh!
I stopped. I didn't say it. I didn't say it. I didn't go there.
And it's rice and soy, so he was trying to do it.
I didn't go there. I didn't do it.
He was trying to do it.
Hunt's sauce. Oh man.
Oh, I can't even.
Hunt's sauce.
You're trying to change the subject so it's not awkward, but it's,
It's
way
not
too
awkward
late.
because it's funny.
It's too late.
Lot of Hunt's tomato sauce. Good for chili. Always good for chili.
Spaghetti.
Spaghetti's another good one. Man, there's a ton of it.
Man, I wish this coffee wasn't all expired.
Man, we had so much coffee. I would think. I don't know what happens to coffee.
I drink coffee. But I can't. I would drink some of this stuff. I would like to try it.
Hunt's sauce. Hunt's sauce.
Are you just gonna keep saying Hunt's?
Yeah, there's tons of it. Italian sauce. All this is in stock. Honey carrots.
Obviously, this. You know what? We sold
It's
this
good.
stuff too, and it did not sell very well. I bet you it must taste bad because I think this is
McCafe coffee.
what the like 8th taste we come
This is
across this stuff.
expired. It must just not. Yeah, it's probably not a quick.
Grapefruit
quick
just
turner.
doesn't sound good. Like you can't have grapefruit when you have medication. That was a 12 per Campbell. Oh, Twinkies!
More Twinkies. I'm sure these are expired.
Yeah. Everyone I've come across has been expired.
Yeah, these are expired. You can leave them in the box.
They do have all the ingredients for me to make my hobo stew here, too. It's just tempting. All expired coffee. Look at all that. All that coffee. I like coffee.
Yeah, it's
Not
a lot.
expired.
Starbucks, expired. Super moist. This is good. Betty Crocker, good stuff. All of this is probably good. Yeah, good. That's good. What is this? Organic chocolate milk. October of 2018. You want to try it?
Tam Tam. Tambourine.
I have no idea.
I know, you were thinking tampon. I was waiting for
No, I know where you were going with that.
Bam Bam, not Tam Tam.
Turnip greens, organic milk.
More Cheez-Its. June 2019.
Nah.
Nah, he says.
Expired food, it's kind of like a fetish for me. Like I can't, it bothers me. Like if bread is a day old
Okay, well now you're talking about bread.
or
Like-
milk a day old.
Okay, well yeah, those are things you definitely
Anything. It's
Those are
just
things
weird.
that definitely that make you sick.
It's a
right
mental
away.
thing for me.
Like crackers, I don't think would be that.
Really
good.
mental thing.
That's because you're mental. Got some chai tea here. Want some chai tea? Do it. Come on. Go.
Pass in the chai tea.
Make the joke. Wait for it.
I'm gonna pass.
2021.
I'm gonna take the easy ones.
Cheerios.
Chicken cubes.
October 2019.
Bouillon cubes.
November 2019. Man, I'm gonna take these Cheerios.
You're not gonna eat that cereal.
This is what I eat every morning.
A whole box?
No, why would I eat a whole box?
That's the challenge. You gotta eat a whole box.
Challenge accepted. I would eat a whole box. I usually have 2 bowls.
Man, this is a whole container of
What is that?
this, some type of lemonade water stuff.
You
for
got
kids.
different character hands on there.
Yeah. And Star Wars.
It looks like they tried to sell
Minnie
these for clearance. Special savings, 50% off.
Yeah, they're expired.
Yeah, by a year.
I might.
You might as well just throw those right away.
They're still good.
No.
They're still soft.
No.
It's only November.
No.
I think they're still tasty.
No.
You should try them.
No. That was yesterday's episode. Check it out. They were absolutely terrible. Quaker Oats still good.
Hey, here's Rolaids. I wonder if Rolaids really goes bad.
You know what? I'm not gonna lie. A lot of this stuff I'm looking at, I didn't think would go well. Like crackers and stuff. Like, I didn't think
Yeah, it's like
stuff would go
second guessing what we do, what we
Right.
buy at the store. Chuck Mix.
bad. Like the Suzy Q's and the Twinkies
Bad.
and all that, I can see that getting expired and going bad.
Donuts. It's open and it's nasty. Nasty stuff.
Oh, are we twinning?
Are we? Yes, we are twinning.
Twinning tea, not expired. English breakfast. A little twinny, twin.
And it's expired. Donuts. Lifesavers.
You're a
These-
lifesaver.
These don't even have a date on them.
Oh, you didn't eat any of the beef jerky?
Oh, they're way too old for me.
Way too.
I'm not gonna gamble on Lifesavers. Maybe Lifesavers never expire. Here's sugar. Let's just say it's good until 2020. Welch's Fruit Snacks.
This is a French donut mix.
That one's open.
October 2018. I can't even say that word.
Mints.
Mints? I can say mints.
Mints can't expire. There's no date on it. Mints probably are good forever.
Gluten-free
Like a
wafers.
Twinkie.
Hey, those Twinkies were really good yesterday. Stop knocking on the
I don't know.
Twinkies.
Some weird stuff.
Wow, these are 2018. These wafers, they're all expired. Ugh.
Next box.
Where'd you see the expiration date on the tortilla chips?
They're on the front. Grinch cereal.
2008.
They're still good. Butterworths. Still good.
Sylvia.
Maxwell coffee.
Sylvia, mustard greens. What are mustard greens?
They
October 2018. Doesn't matter.
expired coffee. Twinnings. There's some more of your twinnings.
Winning.
It's good until 2021.
This whole box is expired.
That's the easy one to put right back in the pallet.
Right.
That's good. Some more cereal. That's good.
I think that's the first amount of cans that I've seen that have been expired.
Nature's Valley expired. Miss Butterworth is good. Some of these crackers that I love. I wish they weren't expired. I'd eat some.
Got a whole case of these.
Yeah, I'm sure those
Organic
expired.
Balance Milk Protein Shake.
I didn't even see it. Like
Protein shakes are always good. But
expired. Green Mountain Dark Roast K-Cups. They're good until 2020. These are good.
I don't see an expiration date. Do you see an expiration date on these?
We need to check it out.
Vanilla bean.
Maybe it's on the bottom, and I just didn't see it on the bottom.
Maybe. Oh, they're right here. June 2018. Expired.
Really expired.
Are you gonna eat one?
Drink one?
Drink it, eat it. At this point, you might be eating it.
Yeah, that's true.
This whole box is from 2018. So I wonder if they just put this box in a corner.
Could be.
And let it sit for a year.
Those are expired. More coffee. It's expired. And a can of fat-free refried beans. It is not expired. Good to go.
I feel like this pallet has a lot of expired stuff.
I've been putting all my boxes over here. I've been making boxes as I go. I've been, that's how I save some time here. Tons and tons. Oh man, I barely can lift this up. There's a lot of canned food in that. I bet you this whole box is going to be in stock. That one is good. This is some more pineapples. Progresso.
All these
Progresso.
protein shakes are expired by almost a
Corn.
whole year.
Stuff. Corn.
Got some popcorn.
Candy yams. Who doesn't like yams?
I do not like yams.
I don't like yams at all.
Why did you make that comment?
I know. I was just asking the audience. Who doesn't like yams? Make sure to like us, subscribe,
Here we
follow
go.
us, turn on notifications. We have enough now for
Now we can make s'mores.
s'mores.
Some more.
Would you
Please,
like?
sir, can I have some more?
Would you like some more of that? Pumpkin, more pineapple, more corn, tomato, corn,
You want these lemonade Capri Suns?
beans, the musical fruit. Are they in stock?
Yes, they're in stock because they're in my hand.
That's
Are
fine.
they expired?
Nope. So I gotta say, once that D is that once ED is at the end of what your statement, I have no interest.
September 2019.
Oh, they're still good. What's today?
It's September 26th.
Oh, yeah, that's kind of cutting it close.
I'll put them up there
That's
later.
all I needed the kids to get sick. So I won't be drinking it. Hunt's diced tomatoes expires in
Organic
May.
juice drinks.
So that's good stuff still. Pineapple is good. More Progresso is good. Pumpkin. This stuff's good until next year. Man, I bet you people use that like crazy right now. Angus beef chili with beans. That's good until 2021. Beef ravioli, cheese ravioli, Chef Boyardee, pumpkin, Linsen large hand-picked Monterey olives. I was looking for olives the other day. I wanted some on my pizza. Beans. Hormel chili. It is good. This Hormel chili is good.
I feel like we should keep all this canned stuff.
For the zombie apocalypse that's coming?
Yeah, just because you never know. Like patient zero could be in Ohio. Lots of skulls. Actually, if we keep eating this food, we could become patient zero.
What's that?
Said if we keep eating this food, we could become patient zero.
Yeah, that's the truth. These, I'm assuming, are all expired.
Yeah, 2018.
Yeah. You wouldn't think tortillas would really go bad. Clearly, they do. Oh, beef jerky. When did it expire? 2018. I don't know. That's gonna be dried up.
Allow me to test it for you, kind
Well,
sir.
let's see which one. Do that one.
This is Korean barbecue.
Or ginger teriyaki. Which one you going with?
I'll try the Korean barbecue.
All right.
It smells good.
Yeah.
Chewy.
All right, give me a piece. I'll try it.
It's not bad. Actually, I would eat that at a regular.
For being a year old.
Yeah. It's not bad.
Not bad. But it's chewy.
Yeah.
But it's beef jerky. It's about edges to a zombie apocalypse pile.
Actually, it's pretty good.
Yeah, it's really not bad. I disagree with the expiration date on this.
Yeah. And it's Ziploc.
Let's try the ginger teriyaki. That's a year old. That one's different?
Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna like this one. Oh, no.
What's wrong with it?
It was rock hard.
You did the wrong piece.
No.
They're pretty good. You didn't do the right piece.
There's no way. No.
It ain't that bad.
They're rock hard.
I think that's not as good as the other one, but, you know, when you're stranded, I bet you'd eat it. You would do it. When we go on the fishing trip, we were stranded, like Deliverance.
Yeah. But I think I'd try to figure out how to catch fish, cook fish.
I mean, I like the other one better, for
Yeah.
sure. For sure.
What would you do with these? Oh, I do not like that one.
The ginger teriyaki, we'll put them in a box for the place.
Do you want this one or I'm going to throw it away?
Nah, I'm gonna pass it.
I'll eat the other one though. Actually, I want a piece right now.
So that stuff we'll put in this box.
Get that taste off my lips.
Huh. Ginger teriyaki.
Do you think they took it from the souls of
Gingers? Ah, maybe. They could.
when they've been out in the sun too long and they dried up?
That's what beef. That's what ginger beef jerky is. Yeah. More organic milk. We're almost through this pallet. We only got 3 boxes left. A lot of organic milk.
Chex Mix. Chex Mix.
All organic milk.
Ugh. November 25th, 2018.
Something like that might be expired a little bit.
Yeah. Oh, have you ever had these?
Yep.
I wouldn't eat it because it's open. These are so good. These rice cakes, they're pretty healthy for you.
Look at this big box of Pop-Tarts. That's
Really good.
it's
Love those.
still good.
Is it?
Expires October 23rd.
Oh, snap.
That's a lot of Halloween candy.
That is a lot of Halloween candy.
It has to still be good.
March 2019.
It has to. Why would Halloween candy expire that early? There's no way. That's not expired. Like, I feel like candy companies just do that so you buy more.
That sounds legit.
That one's probably pretty accurate.
Got some diced tomatoes. 2020. 2020.
Gluten free. Gluten something.
Ooh, there's a
Wafer.
bottle of ranch in here.
Think it's good?
No.
Challenge, drink it.
No. Definitely no way I'm gonna.
He might drink it. If you subscribe, follow us, watch us, notification, all that fun stuff, he may drink it. Chicken noodle soup, some cat canned food, all in date.
What? They got some Sour Patch Kids. I would risk eating these if they were expired. Yeah. September 2018. June 2018. I feel like I'm still hang on to these and eat these.
I think candy can really go bad.
Yeah. We're gonna find out. I'm gonna eat those later.
Alright, a lot of canned food in this box. It's looking pretty good. Fruit and cream, instant oatmeal. Just expired last month. Nature Valley Crunch, that is good. More Progresso, that is good. Progresso, good. Good. Oh man, Red Hot Franks. I love this stuff. Is it still good?
Probably not, but I would use it.
August 2020. It's good, and it's sealed. We'll put that in the chili we make. Cheese It Groove.
Ton of canned food in here that's still all 2020. Corn, tomatoes,
Gushers.
pasta sauce.
August 2019. No good. More Gushers. Probably the same. Oh, these Gushers are good.
This is candy
Roll
corn.
up.
I don't even have to feel that. I don't even have to look at the date to tell you that's expired.
They're just airtight.
Yeah, is that what it is?
It's airtight. It just expired a couple days ago.
Yeah, you're so full
April.
Of it. You're so full of it.
It's just April expiration.
2018 probably.
2019. Get it right. Hardy tomato, more Progresso. A lot of Progresso. Like, I wonder if some of this just is discontinued. It is a ton of Progresso. Lot of
I wonder if someone just drops this when it comes off the truck or something.
Basically, movie Big Daddy, when he does it on purpose to get a discount, he throws it
Oh,
on the
yeah.
ground.
And then the little kid does it.
Yeah. Loaded potato with bacon. Caesar is good. Organic soup. That's good. Beef is good. Good. And good. Some good stuff in there. And that was expired.
All canned goods are good. It's crazy. It really is it's just they're dented on the canned goods. I'm not afraid of this bag right now.
Something's gonna jump out at you.
Yeah.
Nothing in it.
It looks like teeth marks.
So what we got for you guys, we have one more pallet left. And it's hard to say because I was putting my boxes on there, but I would say it was probably another 50-50. 50-50
Yeah.
is what I say.
Yeah.
It'd be pretty close. Cause I think I put 4 or 5 boxes on that. And there's really not that much over here, and we still got quite a bit. So, one more pallet left of food, and that's it. Then we go back to real stuff,
The real world.
the real money.
Where we need to make money.
Yeah, no joke, not this funny business. All right, we'll be back.